Get Barnes. Barnes is a workhorse. Selecki. Nice, Spence. Good. Stay with it, Jakey. Working, baby. Jakey boy's working. Barnes, let's get on another bench. Hey guys, doing farmer walk, do a set of face pulls afterwards, get those shoulders reset. Hit another bench, Barnes. See it, stud. Yeah, Jake will hit 35, so let's move those over. Flat back on the pickup. Come on, Barnes. Explode, Selecki. After you get 4, go palms in. Good. Same thing with you, Barnes. Palms away, then palms in. Palms in now. Turn the palms in. Yes. Come on. Come up. Grind those out. Abs tight, Spence. Spencer's running with these. Tight, baby. Tight, tight. Connor's like, get the hell out of the way. Woo! Strong is strong, baby.